Hello team, today's challenge is Mongo ID Date, where we're given a Mongo ID from a Mongo database, and we need to grab the timestamp for that ID. And the cool thing about this, if it's true, the Mongo database ID contains the date string right here in the first 8 characters. So if we can get these 8 characters and then parse that out, because it's base 16, it's hexadecimal, then we should be able to get a timestamp in seconds, which we can then translate into a date, right? And we can make all of this work. So a few steps, but hopefully pretty quick. It looks like this. Over here, we are going to get the date portion of that string. So const hex date, just like this. We're going to take that ID, we're going to slice just like this from 0 to, but not including 8. So we get the first 8 characters, okay? And then from there, we want the seconds, right? The seconds is going to be that hex date, but converted back to decimal. And we've seen this before in a previous challenge, which was actually called hexadecimal. So go check out that video. But right here, we can do the same thing, right? Where we can go number.parse int. We send in hex date, and we set a radix, and that radix can be anything. If we wanted binary, we could do 2. If we wanted decimal, we could do 10, but we want hexadecimal, which is 16, okay? So a lot of stuff going on there. And from here, now we have our seconds. So we can feed this into date, right? So we go here, we go date, that equals new, capital D, date, and we send in seconds. The challenge here is that new date actually expects milliseconds. So we want to multiply that by 1000, okay? Just to make sure that it catches properly. Otherwise, you'll have dates from the 1970s, right? It just, you need this, at least in my testing, I needed this times 1000, okay? From there, we can use this, right? And we just return, we go date.toISO string. ISO string always returns UTC timestamps. So this is pretty safe, and it's exactly the format that they are looking for. So again, a few steps, right? We had to use some technology that we've seen in past videos or challenges, very useful, parse int with a radix, and then translating that into a date stamp, and of course, getting just the piece of whatever that string is that we need to do this all. So a few small steps, but here it is. Again, not every solution, just hopefully one good solution, right? One thing that we haven't done is we haven't tested to make sure that we actually did get something that was parsable, right? We just trusted the system, which maybe we should check that and throw an error just in case. But for today, here we are. And yeah, let me know what you think of this. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you find a different way, right? There are other ways. So if you have another one that you want to share, let me know all that good stuff in the comments. Otherwise, this has been Mongo ID Date, and I will see you tomorrow.